How to add a link in your Tumblr post. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the pencil icon to start a new post. In the post editor, look at the bottom of the screen where you will see several tools. From here, tap on the link tool, which is represented by a chain icon. Next, a box will appear where you can enter the link URL in the text editor. Type or paste the URL you want to add, then tap Next. After that, Tumblr will automatically show a preview or details of the website you linked. Once you are happy with your post, tap Post in the top right corner to publish it with your new link included. This way, you can easily add a link to any of your Tumblr posts and direct your audience to other content, websites, or resources. Now you know how to add a link in your Tumblr post. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.